Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free trials through promotional bundles with home services like internet, phone, or utility providers, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your household subscriptions. Step 1. Review your current home service bills and provider websites for information about bundled promotional offers that include entertainment or productivity service trials. Step 2. Contact your internet, cable, or phone service provider to inquire about available bundle promotions, as customer service representatives often have access to offers not advertised publicly. Step 3. When considering a new home service provider, ask specifically about included promotional subscriptions before signing a contract, negotiating for better bundle deals if possible. Step 4. Compare the value of bundled trials against standalone subscriptions to ensure the home service upgrade or addition makes financial sense even with the promotional benefits. Step 5. During service installation or account setup, ensure that the technician or customer service representative provides all redemption codes for included trials. Step 6. Activate your bundled trial subscriptions promptly after service installation, as some promotional offers have limited redemption windows from your service start date. Step 7. Link your home service account to the trial services as required, which may involve entering your account number or allowing authorization between platforms. Step 8. Set reminders for when bundled trials expire, as these are often separate from your home service contract and may require manual cancellation to avoid charges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.